Hello, good morning. So we will be discussing again the vertex of parabola. So when you say vertex is the minimum or the maximum point of parabola or the turning point. So I have here a graph. So this will be the vertex, the minimum or maximum, the turning point. So this one, the vertex. Okay. So the location of vertex I have here, H and K are the location of vertex of a parabola. But we also have shortcut in getting the vertex of parabola. So I have here the value of x is equal to negative BA. To make it easy, we will be using this. H is equal to negative B over 2A. And our K, 4AC minus B squared all over 4A. Okay, don't forget that H is equal to B, negative B over 2A, and K is 4AC minus B squared all over 4A. So again, as what I have told you from the past video, from the other videos that I made, that if the leading coefficient is greater than 0, what is that again? If greater than 0, the parabola opens upward. And if the leading coefficient is less than 0, so the parabola opens downward. So I have here example. We will be identifying, the vertex. Be with me, people. Next is we will be identifying the axis of symmetry. Letter C, the opening. I know you know this already. The opening of the parabola. Be with me, guys. Letter D, number of x-intercepts. Letter E, coordinates of y-intercepts. And then the last one is the graph. We will be graphing. This is quite long, people. Okay, don't forget this. We will be identifying all. Okay, but before that, I will be giving you first equation star for the equation. So I have here x squared, this is a quadratic equation still, minus 1. How to get the vertex, Ma'am Princess? As what I have told you, we have shortcut or formula for that. What is A again? H. Diba? H and K in getting. This is the location of the parabola. Right? So again, what is H again? H is equal to negative B over 2A. And our K again is 4AC minus B squared all over 4A. Right? Yes, my princess. Okay, so H. Identify again. A is 1. A is 1. B is 4. C is negative 1. So H, B is that's 4, don't forget. 2, and then what is our A? 1. So there. H, negative 4 divided by 2. So H is negative 2. Got it? Next, our K. 4. Substitute only the value. What is our A is 1. What is our C? It's negative 1. Minus, what is our B? The value of our B, 4. Then, that is squared. Over 4. What is our A? 1. Simplify. 4 times 1, 4. Times negative 1, it's negative 4, right? Then, negative 4 times negative 4, so this would be, I'm sorry, so 4 times 4, so this is 16. 4 times 1, that's 4. So K, negative 4 minus negative 16, so this would be negative 20 over 4. So our k is negative 20 divided by 4. So this will be negative 5. Thus, you can say thus the vertex is at negative 2 and negative 5. Got it? Got it, people? So we're done with the vertex. So let's proceed to the axis of symmetry. Okay, always remember, people, that in the h and k, diba, h and k is the vertex of parabola. The x there is just equal to h. Ax is just equal to h is the axis of symmetry. Okay, there. Again, in getting the axis of symmetry, all you need to do, or the x is just equal to h. And then go back, what is the formula for h? So h is equal to negative b over 2a. H is equal to, what is our b again? What is our b again there? Our b is 4, right? So this will be negative, then 4, 2. What is the value of our a again? 1, right? So h is equal to negative 4 over 2. So h is negative 2. Just copy, okay? Just copy the h here. It's negative 2. So we have the axis of symmetry already. We're done with that. Okay, next, let's have the opening of the parabola. The opening of the parabola. The opening of the parabola, we already know that the vertex located in, we can answer this one already, right? The vertex is at, what is that again? Negative 2 and negative 5. Negative 2 and negative 5. And the axis of symmetry, don't forget, just use, or x is just equal to h. So your h is equal to negative 2. So your axis of symmetry is negative 2. And then the opening of parabola, again, remember that if x is greater than 0, the parabola opens upward. And then if the coefficient is less than 0, the parabola opens downward. So try to look at the equation. What is the a there? It's 1. So meaning, opening of the parabola opens upward. Got it? It opens upward. Okay, next. We're done with vertex, we're done with axisymmetry, opening of parabola. Let's go to number of x-intercept. Number of x-intercept. So we will not touch this one first. Okay? And then coordinates of, we will just go back, okay? Coordinates of x-intercept. In the coordinate of x-intercept, all we need to do is to substitute 0 for x. Okay? We will make x is equal to 0. Letter E. Again, in getting the coordinates of y-intercept, because we are looking for the y-intercepts. So we need to make x is equal to 0. So substitute 0. So f of x, using the original equation, or the given equation, x minus 1. So x is equal to 0, right? X 0 plus 4, then this will be 0 still, minus 1. So this will be y, already y, because we're looking for y-intercept. So 0 times 0, so 0. 4 times 0, so that's 0, minus 1. So y is equal to negative 1. So the coordinates of y-intercept is equal to negative 1. Got it? So now let's go to graphing or graph. Again, what to do the graph? We need to have table of values first. Using the values negative 2, 1, 0, and 1, 2. So the last step F. Graph X and Y. So this will be negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, and then after that, let's try to substitute. X squared plus 4x minus 1. So if x is equal to negative 2, so this will be x sorry. So x is equal to negative 2. Negative 2 squared plus 4, negative 2 is 1. So negative 2 times negative 2, so this will be positive 4. Plus 4 times negative 2, so this will be negative 8. Minus 1. So 4 minus 8, so this will be negative 4. Sorry. Minus 1. So this will be negative 5. So we have here the value of negative 2 is 5. Next, x is equal to negative 1. So negative 1 squared plus 4 times negative 1. I'm so sorry. So negative 1 times negative 1, so this is positive 1. Plus negative 4 minus 1. So this will be negative 3 minus 1, so negative 4. So negative 4. Sorry, there's no negative. Okay, next.
The last step will be graphing. So all we need to do is to use the values that we get. So negative 2 and negative 5. So negative 2. Then since it is negative going down, it is 4. So the center. So here. Next, negative 1 and negative 4. Negative 1 here and negative 4. So there. Next. Next, 0 and negative 1. 0 and negative 1. So here. Next, we have 1 and 4. 1 and then going up since it is positive. Next, 2 and negative 11. So here. Then, let's connect. So this will be the graph. So again, we did not answer yet the number of x-intercept. So try to look at their x-intercept. How many did the graph surpass? Or how many times? Okay, number of x-intercepts. So try to look at there the graph. It touches or twice. So we can say that the parabola has two x-intercept. So this one and this one. Okay, got it? And then let's try to check the axis. Remember, the axis of symmetry is 2, right? When you say axis of symmetry, that's the division or something like this one. This one is called the axis of symmetry. So let's try to see if it's correct. So negative 2. The answer is negative. So meaning our answer is correct. So that would be all. God bless you and hope you guys learned something today. Bye bye.